Hey guys, let's talk about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. If you are brand new to the channel, welcome. What I do is every Sunday I walk through the best deals going on over at Walgreens for that sales cycle. I'll tell you what I bought, what coupons I used, what cashback apps, rebates are available. I also talk about the best grocery deals going on, as well as at the end of all of my videos, I show you the items that I found on clearance while I was at the store. Today, I will also be showing you how I used my Spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. Now, I did all of these deals, almost all of these deals as curbside pickup because I was able to use the promo code SENIOR20 to take off additional money when I was purchasing this online. So let's walk through the deals and I'll show you how you can do it, whether you choose to do it curbside or in store. Let's start with the freebies. The perfect bar. Now, if your Walgreens sells these, they are $2.39, but there is a $2.99 rebate on Ibotta, which makes it completely free and a 60-cent moneymaker. These are refrigerated, so check. You can always check in the app to see if your store sells it, so you don't have to go to the store just to see if they have it. Now, a couple other freebies that popped up in the Fetch Rewards app. I had a 50% back offer on the M&Ms, but there is a 100% cash back option on the M&Ms. Just check your Fetch Rewards app and see which one you have. So you could pick these up at $2.49. If you have that 100% cash back, you could get $2.49 back on the Fetch Rewards app. So they do 100% cash back in points quite a bit, which is one of the things I love about Fetch Rewards. So if you're brand new, if you've never used it before, the app is completely free. And if you grab it with my referral code, you'll score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt. Now, the other offer I did, I finally found the Dove at Walgreens. So these Dove promises are $2.49. So I purchased these, I submitted to my Fetch Rewards app, and I got $2.49 back there, making these completely free. Now, while we're talking about food, I guess let's continue to talk about the food deals I did. The Splenda Diabetes Shakes. These are $7.99 on sale this week. If you pop on over to the Splenda website, you can print a $3 coupon. Now, this one you would have to do in store because you're using a printable coupon. You would pay $4.99 for it, then get $3 back on Ibotta, making your final cost $1.99 for this 6-pack of Splenda Diabetes Shakes. Okay, so laundry deals. The Persil, also an Ibotta offer. This is $6.99 at Walgreens. There is a $2 digital coupon that you can clip. So you'll pay $4.99, get back $1 on Ibotta, making it just $3.99. Now, if you are a Tide fan, there's a great deal over at Walgreens for Tide this week. The products you see here are all 4 for $9, which is already a decent price. But if you pick up one of the pods and one of the liquids, there is a 50-cent digital for each of those. So instead of paying $4 for $9 after that digital coupon, the digital coupon's coming off, I paid $4 for $8 or just $2 per item. You could do that in store. You could do it as a curbside pickup, whichever you prefer. Now, I've told you I prefer to do curbside when I can because I can use promo codes on top of my savings. The promo code would not apply to these. It only applies to like the non-sale items. But I also go through Rakuten where I get cash back as well. And if you're brand new to Rakuten, again, it's completely free. But if you spend $30 or more out of pocket, you'll get $30 back in your Rakuten account. That's if you are brand new and you use my link down below. I will leave it for you in the comments. So it's an amazing deal for brand new Rakuten users. Again, completely free. I forgot to tell you about the Belvita. These mean, it's not an amazing price, but it beats the grocery store price. These are $4.99. I did this as a curbside though because I used the code SENIOR20, so that took $1 off. Now the in-store deal isn't as good because you can't use that code SENIOR20, but it took $1 off, so I paid $3.99. I got back 75 cents on Ibotta, as well as 10 cents on Ibotta because it was like an any receipt offer. So that made my final cost $3.14. Now, some of you left me messages last week, hey, I never get a receipt when I do curbside, so how do I submit to Ibotta? Well, if your store won't print you a receipt, you're gonna have to do the deals in store. Okay, my store will still scan my pickup order with the regular scanner at checkout, so I still get a receipt, but your store may not do that for you. You just have to ask them if they will. They cannot use that little handheld thing. They have to use the actual scanner to scan your curbside order in order for it to generate a receipt. If they won't do that, you have to shop in store. Now, the Revlon. So I picked up 2 of these eye pencils. When you get 2 of them, the total cost is $8.98. I did this curbside. There's an $8 digital coupon, which makes your final cost 98 cents for both or 49 cents each. Could you do it in store? Yes, but the price may be different in store than it is online, so just be aware of that. The Fabuloso. So I did not buy these again. I had these, but the deal is still going on. They're $2.49. There's a $1 digital coupon. You could get the wipes. You could get the liquid. Suavitel is also part of this deal. $1 digital. Use the code SENIOR20 if you're doing curbside. It'll take another 30 cents off, leaving you to pay $1.19 total for this one. Okay. Clearance, again, I'll show you pictures at the end of the video, but lots of electronics and batteries, 90% off. So these little headphones I grabbed for a teacher at the school who always needs headphones. They're only $1 right now, 90% off. Now, let's talk about grocery deals real quick. So the best grocery deals I saw, the cashews. These are $2.99 right now for the whole cashews, which is a great deal. The Jif peanut butter is 2 for $5. The jelly, I think, was 2 for $6. They had trail mix, 2 for $5. Cheez-Its, 3 for $5. Apple juice, 2 for $6. They had soup, 2 for $5. They had community coffee at $5.99 again this week. There's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making a bag of coffee just $3.99. Now, grocery deals that I mentioned typically are the prices that beat what my regular grocery store would sell those items for, but you can also use your Walgreens cash to pay for your groceries, which helps your overall budget for the month. Now, my spend 20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. That was my digital booster. A lot of people said, hey, where do I find those digital boosters? Not every account will get them, but it will be in your digital coupon folder. So if you're in your app, you click on Shop and Savings, you click on Savings and Digital Coupons, it would be there. Typically, I see them on Thursday of the week before. So check on Thursdays and clip it. But what I did is I bought the Dove Promises. I bought the Tide and Bounce products, the 4 for $9. And then I bought the 2 Revlon. Okay, so my total before coupons was $20.47. Then I had the $1 coupon, or the 250 cents, which was $1 off on the Tide products. $2.49 back on Fetch for the Dove. That makes my final cost $3.98 for all of those items. So those digital boosters are awesome. Now, questions, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comments below. This week, I am hoping to have the My Favorite Things video out, which will include a couple of different giveaways. So definitely stay tuned for that video coming out soon. Thanks.